Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to fix date and time on Tecno mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down. On the bottom you are going to find the system option. Okay, so you just keep scrolling and here is the system, so you have to move on system. After helping move on, here you are going to find the date and time option, so you have to move on it. Click on it. After helping click on it, so at first click on the auto set time and click on off option, then okay. Then here if you want to fix the date, you can fix the date, month, the year. Okay, after that click on okay. And if you want to fix the time, minutes and the mpm, after that click on okay. Friends, I'm saying that in place of this fixing again and again, you just click on this auto set time, and here in place of off, no, you just select from here GPS provided time or network provided time. You can select from here any timing. In place of this two, no, it will be benefit, you just select from here network provided time, and here you just click here and click on okay, and you will be no need to fix the date and time again and again. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.